Hi, lovely ones. It's Ethany, and it's Friday, which means we have a new deck to explore with First Impressions Fridays. And today is the Dark Damsel? No, the Dark Moon Damsel Oracle deck. And you all know how much I hate having to edit things. Now, this is a deck that I got off of Printer's Studio after I had been following the creation of this deck for a very long time. It was illustrated by Lorena Joy, and she used to have a WordPress site with the meanings on it, but when I was trying to find the actual name of the deck, um, to record this, it was missing. So I don't know what's going on there, but maybe it'll come back later. So it's a Printer's Studio deck, which means you just get it in this shrink wrap with the protective bubble wrap shipping. But I fell in love with the imagery. So when I was looking at it on Instagram, so I purchased it and it is here. So we're going to switch over cameras as always, and we're going to go through each one of the cards for this Oracle deck.
Okay, so now we're going to go through the cards. Yay! I've had this deck on my shelf for a long time. It's been a hot while since I've been able to do some recording. Found this deck on Instagram, as I mentioned before. It doesn't come with anything but the deck because it comes from one of the Printer Studio make playing cards kind of duvawackies. Here are the backs. So the size of the deck is a standard tarot card size, and the card stock is 330 GSM. It is very, very similar to Llewellyn tarot card stock. For those of you who own Llewellyn decks and ask me about sizing and card stock, that is exactly what it's like. I love the images of this deck. Bear. Very much that beautiful glow, that feeling of those romantic dark colours. Beginning. Boxed in. Clarity. I like that. Initially when I saw that, I thought that was an eye and that was like a mouth with fangs. I was like, oh, the eye sees and then speaks. That's probably two eyes, but that's an interesting thing that I kind of picked up there. And then we've got the subconscious and the consciousness in that. I like that. Confidence, very bright sunflower. Destination. A pathway up the mountain. Detach. Funny thing about like spiders and spider webs is like the detachment, but y'all know that the spider's going to go back and build the web again, so it's an interesting image there. Discern. Discernment is very important. Got to make sure something is worth your time and energy. Oh yeah, I didn't even plan that, it just happened. Evolve. I like that this is a crystal, talking about how evolution, and especially evolution in species, happens slowly, just as crystals are formed as well, slowly. Floating in harmony. Jellyfish are so cool. Like when you go to the aquarium and you see them in the big tanks and you're like, oh, it's just so meditative and like calming to watch them bob about and float. Floating island. Flourish. Fortitude. It's Scorpions do indeed exist in pretty harsh places. Fragile. Free flow. Gift. Gracefully descend. With all those beautiful feathers. Heart. Interesting that the crystallized heart, that hard heart being held in the hand, that one finger up. Interesting symbolism there. Humble. Illusion. Gorgeous card. That lunar moth. Intuition. The elements and everything. Magic. Movement. So as you can see, this is it's borderless, it is a minimalist deck. It has a definite color palette and feel to it. Narrow. And only one keyword, so it's really up to you how you want to expand on that keyword and the image that's given. Nourish. There is a digital guidebook that comes with it. I tried to find it again with my order and the link was broken, but I believe there was a PDF that you could get. Perspective, but there is no physical guidebook. Protect, oh, protecting the beauty, not just physical beauty, you know. Release. It's a nice Saturday night there. Resilient, a tree. Restore, yeah. Healing and all that jazz. Secret. Sever. So I don't think there are any, I haven't gone through the whole deck, but I don't think there are any where you see the face of the person. I like that image. Letting go of the past, clean break, letting go of the old DNA, allowing yourself to change. There's a lot there. And then we've got the dark moon, or an eclipse even. Simplicity. Sleep. So lots of crystals in this deck, lots of like geometric shapes, lots of stars, stillness. So that's definitely your thing. Lots of black, obviously. Thankful. That's gorgeous. Time. And all those planet symbols around there as well. The moon and the sun. That's really cool. I like that image. Unlimited. Wisdom. The stairways being made of books. That's cool. I'm going to give it a quick shuffle as I don't have a guidebook to go through. It's going to be a little bit shorter than normal. Stillness. makes a lot of sense for me. I've been healing from my pneumonia and my illness, and just, you know, building my energy and allowing myself the space to be still and heal. So yeah, it totally makes sense. I don't know how many cards are in here, so I'm going to pause the video, count them, and come back. There are 40 cards in this deck. I actually counted them. I just wanted to let you know that there are 40 cards to the deck, because there's no box or anything that says that information. So I will, as always, as you know, if you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, in the description below I will put a link to where you can get this deck, the Oracle deck. And as always, thank you so much for your time and for watching.